Hi everyone, I am so excited to tell you about a brand new product that we brought on at Renew, and you know we like to stay with the newest and latest and greatest that science has to offer. So, introducing a needle-free lip filler. So this is a brand new product. It's from the makers of SkinMedica. It's from the makers of Elastin. All those brilliant scientists went and made this product. And the goal of this product is to give you hyaluronic acid, which we know we use hyaluronic acid because it holds 100 times its weight in water, gives you that nice, plump, juicy look in your lips, especially as we age and we lose that volume in our lips. So, for those of you that are scared of lip filler, or for someone like me who has chronically dry lips, but God bless me with amazing, beautiful lips, so I don't want lip filler in my lips. However, nothing I have used will ever hold on to the hydration. And trust me guys, I have spent so much money on lip products to try to find something that will hydrate my lips in a long term when the product itself gets, worn out. So this is called Ourself. And the way you apply it is done with 5 applications twice a day over 5 days as your loading dose. And what that does is you do a small 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you rub it in. Now, the technology behind this, I'm going to tell you as I talk, we're going to wait 20 seconds in between each application. It's a little button here, it pumps it out. So what they did was they took the hyaluronic acid and they put it in a little encapsulated vesicle. And the brilliance behind this product is that vesicle is taking this hyaluronic acid past the dermis, past the epidermis, and depositing it where normally a needle would deposit the hyaluronic acid. So you're doing little baby, tiny microscopic doses over that 5-day period. So they're saying 50 applications as your loading dose. 20 seconds. You can manipulate this however you want to. I personally don't want big, full lips. I have a small face. So I think for me, the way I've realized is doing a 3-day loading and then just maintaining it has worked really well for me. But the beauty of this is you can play around with it and decide, hey, I want to use it just for a big occasion. Then wonderful, keep it in your drawer, use it for a week before that big event, and get done with it. If you are someone in your 70s and 80s and you're like, you know what, lip filler would just look really fake on me, I don't want that big pouty look, wonderful. This will give you a little bit of showing. Now, I don't have a mirror, so I'm screwing this up, but if you get it outside the lip line, it's gonna look like you had a little bit of red Gatorade, because it does vasodilate. So this is my 3rd application. I'm keeping it right inside the lines of the lips. "20 seconds in between. Number 4. And 20 seconds. A lot comes out. Now, this product does tingle a little bit. It does have a little bit of peppermint. So if you're allergic to peppermint, like Dr. Nina is, this is not the product for you. Okay, that's our 5 applications. So you let that rest. And then it comes with a nice little lip polish. There's several colors. There's clear, and then there's a little pink and a little berry color that comes with it. Now realize that because this is vasodilating, it's actually bringing the natural color that your lips have up to the surface. So this is completely clear, but if you notice, and we will post before and after pictures so you can see the difference, you notice my lip color has already changed during the course of this video. Okay,